So Epic just draw a fresh batch of limited time free fab assets valid until December 16, 9:59 a.m. ET. Now if you're building in game, this week's lineup is surprisingly solid. And let's break it down for now. First up we have here the Dark Knight Male and Female by Ahmed Sagao. If you are prototyping combats, cinematics, or character driven gameplay, this one's is a no-brainer because you are getting a high quality male-female knight variants which are fully rigged compatible with common armor sets, 52 customizable animation, and the FBX OBJ files are included in it. And this, the size of the knight is like 1.4 GB for your information. It is actually great for vertical slice combat as trailer shots or a placeholder for heroes or enemy class without even touching your budget because these are production grade mesh qualities. Then next up we have something very specific to Unreal Engine, which is Dodge It component, which is given by BP Systems. Now it's a lightweight blueprint component focused on DOS mechanism, drop-in DOS functionality, clean BP workflow, and about 19 MB of size. Now it is actually best for rapid prototyping for movement, action system, stamina-based mechanism, or animation-driven dash behavior. If you are doing third-person game dev, this saves your hours of blueprint logic, but it's focused towards the Unreal Engine. So keep that in mind. The next up we have the stylized forest by Andrew. Now it's a beautiful stylized environment pack perfect for cozy game, fantasy settings, or a calm exploration scene. And it has a high quality tree, foliage, grass, stylized water, lighting ready scenes, and only comes in 2.9 GB of disk size. Then it is actually ideal for crafting mood, atmosphere, or early environment blockouts, especially if you are working on something like stylized side projects. Or even on the main project, if it is stylized, you can just definitely use it. I mean, you have to understand, these stay free until December 16, 9:59 a.m. ET. So log into Epic Fab, add them to your vault, and your future proof your project pipeline. If you want a breakdown on how to integrate these assets into your Unreal Engine workflow, drop a comment. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.